in the light. Come in the light, special. Okay. Looks good. Looks beautiful. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. Nah, I look the same.
Huh?
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You'll never be able to take it.
I look the same now.
It look like he got a little light gloss on it.
Yeah. That's a nice roof job.
Yeah. And get it quick.
And he did it one day, right? Yeah,
He
one
started
day.
yesterday. He started last night.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
I must have known.
He started at like 2 o'clock. He did like 3 hours yesterday and it came back.
One day.
So it's 1 day total. If he would have started like in the morning, he would do it 1 day.
16. What was it? 600?
For the labor, yeah.
Jerry, I forgot to tell you.
Yes.
The dry fall we bought is white.
White?
They make white dry fall.
So you want to do it all white?
Yeah, we're gonna do white. We're gonna try white for now. Pretty good at this.
Oh.
Huh? So you're pretty good at this.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. This looks real nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and clean, my guy. Nice and clean. Oh yeah, you got on your work clothes.
I say for one thing.
They normally, it takes, like this one, it takes like half bucket.
Oh wow.
Well, it's four. It's usually
Because
like
that's normal, four regular stores.
one of my favorite stoves.
What are we looking for today?
Paint, knobs, and tires. This buggy.
I can do it.
Oh, okay.
I can do the diamond work.
All right, I hear you.
Okay.
I see. I feels you. These hard too. This match our floor.
You see my auntie's comment.
Mm-hmm. I
See, I didn't even know where it came from. Now I know where it came from.
Oh, look at these knobs. 10 pieces.
I like those knives.
Me too. Look at them knobs. I be finding all the fly stuff. It's kind of old school though. It's very old school actually.
Let me see.
It's kind of like classic. This is a classic style. They got these marble joints for $15. Look at this. Real marble. Gotta get them. Even if I don't use them in the house. I save them for something. Or trying to work. Okay. Which one are you talking about?
These, because it's 3 of them.
You don't know what it look like.
I said, well, let's see what color it is.
Hold this. It's gray.
That's pretty.
It is. I like it. Let's see.
And it's 3 boxes of it.
3 boxes. I think it's what, 10 square feet a box, 10, 20, 30. We need 40.
Maybe go slow because, you know, you're back.
So we ain't got enough for those.
No. It's not enough for those, but it's enough for the other one. It's enough for that box we just looked at.
How many square feet? So we got 1, 2, 3 boxes in this.
How much it cost?
It's 12 by 12. It's 10 in here. That means it's 10 square feet. So that'd be 10 to 30. That's gonna be tight. Them niggas like the brakes though.
How many of them you need?
You need 30. Exactly. Let's get them.
White.
Okay.
I can help if you need it, cause you know I do this. So
It's 10 square feet. Actually, a little less. But what we can do is make the grout thicker.
mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see if we can find one more box just in case. I see the tiles right here, ain't that it?
Mm-mm.
No, that ain't it.
What's that? They'll push it over. What's that? They just squares. Oh.
I'm
Gonna break something. I got it.
End up getting 3 boxes of
Excuse me,
tile.
sir.
Watch out. Ceramic tile. A pack of 6 doorknobs. This fancy looking light here. Then I'll put it back.
Yeah.
And 2 boxes of marble tile. These bad boys. Don't break that. And for basically all this for $91. Shoot, I just bought some knobs yesterday from Home Depot. This alone for 6 knobs was $50. These alone is like $50. So yeah, not bad. What's up? Oh yeah, that white look good. Went with the white dry fall this time. See if how it look. Don't look that bad. Don't look that bad at all. Amigo.
Hey.
Mimosa. El Mosa. Got the blue walls. Not bad. Look a little lighter than before.